We are live. What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing out there today? Let's have a look at the market. Caspa pumping 2.5%. H bar down 2%. Near down almost 2%. Ooh, Dion up 15.5%. Hopefully, some of you guys are taking profits. Excuse me. Hopefully, some of you guys are taking profits on that. Jasmy's up 2%. Telos down 5%. Great DCA opportunity under 10 cents. Optimism down 4%. Some good buys out there right now, guys. ICP down 2.5%. Good DCA opportunities. H bar near to name the two best ones in my opinion right now. What do we got? Bitcoin holding 26,000. So we had a good weekly close. So that's good news. All right, let's get into it, guys. Let's get into the news. All right, we got a few articles to go through here, so we're going to start off with one of them here. Obviously, guys, first, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Make sure you guys do your research, right? And also, shout out to the channel sponsor, as usual, L Bank. Make sure you guys go there, just click the link down below, get your Caspa, get your XRP, get your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that fun stuff. Click the link down below, check them out. Fact says, yo, let's go, brother. What's up, man? Good to see you. Sorry I'm late tonight, man. All right, from Crypto Potato. Ripple XRP attacks South Korea's young investor crowd. Okay. Even as XRP encountered considerable upheaval due to the escalated regulatory challenges, South Korean investors have remained unfazed. In fact, the asset has emerged as the most preferred one in their portfolios, especially those in their 20s. This is evident by the new findings, which show XRP comprises 20.7% of their investments, surpassing the combined 17.5% allocated for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically, like, people in their 20s in South Korea, their investments total 20% of their 20.7% of their investments is in XRP, and then a combined 17.5% for both Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's pretty crazy. XRP has always been more popular down in South Korea, though, for sure. Overall, the proportion of XRP in their portfolios of individuals in their 20s exceeds that of Bitcoin and Ethereum by approximately 3.2%. XRP overtakes BTC in Korea as preferred investment. Individuals in this particular age bracket exhibit an inclination towards aggressive investing, as opposed to investors from other age demographics in South Korea. That's because, I mean, young people they have to turn to investing in digital assets to make money now, because it's just, the cost of living is just too high everywhere, and inflation, everything. I mean, you pretty much have to invest wisely to make your money now. You can't just, have a single, even a dual income household now. You can't survive. It's crazy. The BitHub report, which extensively examined data on investors' portfolios for this year, highlighted that more than 82% of investors in their 20s lean towards altcoins with greater volatility as compared to the world's top 2 crypto assets. This is in contrast with the 30-year-old age group, which was found to have the highest investment weighting in Bitcoin and Ethereum, 28.2%, demonstrating varying preferences among the different age groups. I think that the key factor in that is because that people in their 30s that are holding Bitcoin and Ethereum probably bought it when they were in their 20s, right? So it was a lot more volatile. Bitcoin and Ethereum were a lot more volatile a few years ago than it is now, so that's probably why. Kim Dong-han, CEO of South Korea's visual assets specialist Wonderframe, believes investors in their 20s have an investment tendency aimed at short-term profits rather than long-term investments. Meanwhile, XRP investments ratios across investors in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s, and other were 17%, 11.8%, 14.9%, and 13.8% respectively. South Korea's XRP fixation. The report isn't surprising since XRP's trading activity has been heavily concentrated on South Korean exchanges, with volumes on prominent local crypto exchanges, Upbit and BitHub, even exceeding that of Bitcoin and Ethereum at times. Last year, XRP was ranked the second most popular crypto asset in the country after Bitcoin, as per a study conducted by South Korea's leading crypto exchanges. Upbit and BitHub, Coin1, and Corebit. As such, XRP was found to be more attractive than Ether and Cardano, which stood in third and fourth place respectively. Interesting. So they love XRP out in South Korea, man. They gots to have it. Do make sure you guys smash the like and subscribe. What else is going on out here? We got a Kevin Cage thread that I kind of wanted to go over. It says it's been some time claiming I've seen some comments, claiming that the XRPL will become widely adopted, but that XRP will not appreciate in value with it. That's silly. As liquidity, connectivity, and development grow on the XRPL, XRP will likely appreciate too. XRP is the native asset of the XRPL, which each XRPL account must hold a minimum amount of XRP. Base reserve 10 XRP, owner reserve 2 XRP per item, check deposits, pre-authorizations, escrow, NFT offers, NFT pages, offers, channels, signature lists, tickets, and trust lines. Features like escrow and PYMT channels only work with XRP. Costs of TX and S on the XRPL, minimum transactions cost required for the standard TXN is a fraction of an XRP, 10 drops of an XRP. To protect the XRPL from being disrupted by spam, each TXN must destroy a small amount of XRP. Thus far, 11 billion have been permanently burned. Sorry, 11.5 million, my bad. The XRPL was the first blockchain to feature a built-in decentralized exchange. So yeah, a lot of people forget that. Like the XRPL was the very first ledger to have, or blockchain to have a DEX. A lot of people don't know that. When trading two tokens, auto bridging improves exchange rates and liquidity of automatically trading token to XRP and XRP to token. When doing so is cheaper than trading directly token to token. The XRPL was the first blockchain to support tokenization. All assets on the XRPL can be represented as tokens after called issued assets or IOUs. These can represent any type of value, stablecoin, stock, real estate, commodities. Standard tokens are tracked via trust lines. These tokens can be traded on the DEX and used for cross grids. So basically, yeah, like everything on the XRPL essentially is going to need, for the most part, to use XRP. So I don't know. Basically, what Kevin Cage is saying here is he doesn't see how XRP would not appreciate in value as the ecosystem continues to grow. Simon, hey, Crypto Future, appreciate the amazing videos that you made. Hope you're doing well. How's it going, Simon? Good to see you, man. Thanks for being here, my friend. Really appreciate you being here, and welcome to the stream. Let me see here. Captain Jasmine. Jasmine has over 55K holders now. We continue to grow. Jasmine Army just keeps growing, guys. Just keeps growing. It's going to keep getting bigger and bigger. What do we got here? ISO 222. Let's do it. Says Google confirms Swift will allow digital assets to be used in any account type. As of November 2023 through the annual standard release. Right here it says the Swift standard release 2023 will relax the requirements to have a blockchain address or wallet account number to use digital tokens. The Swift standard release 2023 changes will take effect November 18th of this year. It says allowing the usage of digital assets with any type of account format. So, Swift with the digital asset update, baby, starting November. Pow. All right, what else do we got going on? Link, what do you guys think? Linked, Crypto Bull says link to $200 plus next bull run. But you wouldn't believe it. Few would believe it. I believe it. I think that minimum $100 link for sure. I think every portfolio should have a healthy bag of Chainlink in it. Chainlink is like the alpha of the oracles. Like it doesn't really have any competitors or even close, in my opinion, to bumping it out of the ¡1 spot. I think it's gonna be easily $100 in the next bull run. $200, I guess we'll see, but my guess is somewhere around $100. I have a nice bag of links, so I hope it gets to $200. I could see Chainlink at some point way down the road. Now I'm talking 10 years from now, being like $1,000 a coin. Right? That's like 2 or 3 more bull runs from now. But if adoption continues, if Link continues to be the alpha of the oracles and stuff like that, for sure I could see $1,000 down the road. Very bullish on Chainlink. Very, very bullish. Ooh, what do we got? We're gonna do another article here, and then we're gonna talk about the Bitboy drama. So stay tuned for that. Crypto Reporter. New Power Ledger blockchain goes public with will facilitate global energy transactions, the development of decentralized apps. Energy software technology company Power Ledger has revealed its fast and reliable Power Ledger chain for the global energy industry. Power Ledger chain will support Power Ledger's own application, the third-party application, as well as be open for public domain electricity use cases interested in introducing new services and products to the market. Our mission with blockchain is part of our larger goal of making energy both green and affordable, to decentralize the grid, and to allow for the acceleration of the energy transition to renewable energy, said Power Ledger Technical Director and co-founder John Bulch. The former escrow model, in which customers held POWR tokens in escrow to gain access to the application, has been phased out and replaced by the transaction fee model. These new models function across 2 tiers, the layer 1 blockchain level and the application level. At the layer 1 blockchain level, the fee structure mirrors that of Solana, with the basic transfer costing a fraction of a token, 505 of a token, percent of a token, of the native POWR token. Meanwhile, each application operating on the Power Ledger chain has the flexibility to implement its own distinct free structure. We've been testing our Power Ledger chain within the permissioned environment, but we are now confident that our blockchain is ready to become public-facing, says Mr. Bulch. As part of the transition, Sparks token, which previously served as a unit of account in the early stages of the blockchain development, have been phased out. In this new phase, applications built on top of the Power Ledger chain have the flexibility to introduce their own business logic and tokens, similar to the concept of SPL tokens on Solana's network. This approach allows the enhanced customization and functionality tailored to specific application needs, says Mr. Bulch. Power Ledger is inviting teams to build on the blockchain with the aim of aiding the growth of the ecosystem and products that facilitate the energy transition. We encourage developers to bring their application to our chain, given the initial design as this electricity transaction blockchain. It's a perfect choice for high-frequency throughput applications. This potential for diverse applications will also increase the rewards for validators and delegates, says Mr. Bulch. In the interest of accessibility, Power Ledger has also lowered the minimum POWR staking requirements to 2,500 POWR. And towards the end of the year, the minimum requirement will be removed entirely. Our new blockchain helps bring the energy sector closer to our ultimate goal, which is to democratize renewable energy, says Mr. Bulch. Power Ledger has more than 30 plus projects in 10 countries, including Europe, Asia, Pacific, North and South America, including some of the largest distribution and transmission utilities, businesses, energy, retailers, and property developers globally. More information can be found on their light paper if you want to check out their website. So, like, things are going green, guys. This is just the way that it's going to be moving forward, right? With all projects, anything that's not carbon neutral or carbon, that's not friendly to the environment is going to be not very popular. Let's put it that way. Justin, I made it. What did I miss? Not too much yet, brother. Not too much, man. Talked a little bit about Jasmy, a little bit about XRPL. We're gonna get into the Bitboy crypto drama now. So this is from the Ben Coin account. It says, "This is Ben. TJ and Justin Williams have attempted a coup at my company. Just confirming what is going around. It's true. There has been a mutiny at Bitboy Crypto and Hit Network, but it won't work. They have no leverage. Until they can clone me, I have nothing to worry about." See, the thing about this whole thing is, at first I thought this was just bravado, right? I thought it was just for clicks, and it was just some sort of prank, and they wanted attention around their channel, right? And that's what I initially had thought about it. And then, like, I watched a little thing from Wendy O's live stream, and she was just going on and on about it. And I guess it's true, according to her. That and same with Altcoin Daily confirmed it too. And little side note about Altcoin Daily there too, when he was talking about it today, it kind of PO'd me a little bit. So he's talking, and he brings it up in his channel near the end of his little video there, because he clickbaits it, which is fine. Clickbait's clickbait, right? You have to clickbait on YouTube. People don't watch. But so he clickbaits the story about Bitboy being bumped off of his channel. And then so you watch it, and it's like the last 15-20 seconds of his video, he mentions it, and then he says, he can't talk about it for legal reasons on his channel, Altcoin Daily says, about the whole Bitboy situation. But if you go to his, whatever they call it, their Patreon or whatever, where you pay to interact with them, then he can tell you all about it. So he can't publicly talk about it on his channel, but he can publicly talk about it if you pay him money to talk about it. Right? That kind of irked me a little bit. I was like, using the misfortune of Ben Armstrong being kicked off of his own channel to make money was kind of greasy, in my opinion, but I digress, right? So I guess the story is true at this point in time. I don't know how it works. No matter, I think that you can't really win in this scenario at the end of the day. Nobody can. This is a lose-lose. Even if Ben is correct and they can't kick him out and he comes back, how are you really going to come back and face these guys and stuff? Like, you got to fire everybody at this point, right? How do you come back and start doing your show again with everybody? I don't know. It's awkward, right? First of all. Secondly, Let's say they kick him out and he's gone off the channel. Now listen, guys, whether you like Bitboy or you don't like him, right? The channel's garbage without him. It really is. I mean, he's got a couple of good supporting cast members like Frankie Candles and AJ, but outside of that, like DZ and TJ and all that, all they do is fun projects. They're not that good. They're not that entertaining. Ben, for all of his flaws, is fairly entertaining at least, right? Even when like he says stupid stuff, and it's funny when you see him get all worked up and angry. He goes on one of his rants. It's hilarious, right? It's entertainment. So I don't know. I think that personally the channel will just die without him. I do believe that. I can only imagine how many subs they've already lost after the announcement. Because, like I said, you love him or you hate him. A lot of people love him, and a lot of people are going to follow him, right? So I don't know. I see it as a lose-lose personally. I don't think you're going to see a scenario where the channel succeeds without him on it, so to speak, right? But I don't know. I guess we'll see. I would contact him to see if he wants to rant on my channel about it, but I don't think I'm big enough for him to want to do that. So I don't know. He'd probably go on Wendy O's channel or something to do that. But I should try. I just want to hear him talk some smack. But apparently Ben will be doing a statement on Tuesday or something like that. So we'll see what happens. But definitely interesting. See what happens. I don't know what you guys think. Do you guys subscribe to Bitboy Crypto? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know. Let's go into what we got here. This is from Coin Edition, your global news destination. XRP to trigger a critical inflection point in global finance, says analyst. In a recent tweet, XRP analyst Digital Perspectives Permabull argued the potential of XRP as a transformative asset in the emerging financial landscape. The influencer drew parallels to the historical role of oil as an underpinning for the U.S. digital dominance after the gold standard. Then he highlighted the utility that XRP could bring to the table for the fourth industrial revolution. According to the tweet, XRPL's utility could emulate oil's effects in easing friction and driving global growth. The utility is alongside XRP's carbon neutral design. In particular, Digital Perspectives Permabull compared XRP to the new oil or water of the financial world. He suggests that its application could revolutionize various sectors. The highlighted sectors include small to medium-sized enterprises, financial institutions, banks, central banks, and clearing houses. Moreover, the influencers believe it could trigger a significant inflection point akin to the combustion engine role of the Industrial Revolution relationships with oil. Meanwhile, he noted that XRP's current value might not fully align with its transformative potential. Also, the influencer highlighted the abandonment of the gold standard and the central bank's subsequent reliance on printing money. He predicted that commodities like gold would continue to instill confidence in the evolving financial system. Furthermore, Digital Perspectives contemplated the possible shift away from the petrodollar agreement. Specifically, he noted that Saudi Arabia's withdrawal from the agreement could impact the trajectory of global finance dynamics. Well, that's just obvious, right? Ultimately, the XRP analyst urged proactive responses rather than waiting in uncertainty. He asserted that the U.S. is well aware of the transition into the digital and tokenized realm of the fourth industrial revolution. And that's just it, guys. If anybody out there thinks that the U.S. Is unaware or was not prepared for any of this stuff to happen, you're kidding yourself, right? Amaria XRP pump. That's a distinct possibility. Well, actually, it's funny you say that because I'm about to read another article about just that. So let's check it out. This is from Be in Crypto. Is Ripple slash XRP on the verge of a price breakout? I don't like that they put Ripple in there, but is XRP on the verge of a price breakout? Key indicators anticipates 20% gains. Let's have a look. Ripple price rejected the 55-cent resistance level as the bears rebuffed an early rebound attempt. But despite recent price woes, key on-chain indicators revealed that the XRP network activity has remained steady. Amid bearish headwinds, XRP is currently undervalued. According to the on-chain data, the prevailing bearish sentiment across the crypto market is one of the key drivers preventing XRP's price breakout. Sentiment's network value to transition volume (MVT) ratio assesses underlying transactional activity on the blockchain network relative to the recent price performance. As depicted, the XRP MVT ratio has increased by a staggering 340% from 51.66 to 226 between August 18th and August 24th. Concisely put, when the MVP ratio rises, as observed above, it indicates that a steady growth is underlying economic activity related to the price downtrend. Logistically, this suggests that external factors such as bearish market speculation are currently responsible for driving XRP's price down. XRP's current undervalued status puts it in prime position to score significant gains once the market sentiment flips bullish. Long-term investors are holding out for momentum swing. With current low prices now looking unfavorable, many Ripple long-term partners and strategic investors are now hodling. After a noticeable blip during last week's market crash, XRP's mean coin age had dipped towards 34.33. But as of August 24th, it has now rebounded to 38.30, representing a 10% increase. The mean coin age data is critical measures for all overall sentiment among long-term investors. It is derived by estimating the average number of days coins in circulation have been unmoved from their current wallet address. Okay, so XRP price prediction, possible 20% rebound. If transactional activity intensifies and the long-term investors continue to hodl, XRP's price enters a 20% upswing. The market value to realized value ratio, which gauges the net financial position of current holders, also validates this prediction. With prices currently sitting at 52 cents, most crypto investors who bought XRP within the past month will make about a 15.70% loss if they sold today. Historically, patterns suggest XRP investors could hold out for around 5% gains, but if they close their position before breaking even, XRP could face significant resistance at the 60-cent territory. Conversely, the bears could remain in control, and the XRP price could drop below 45 cents, as seen during the last price crash on August 17th. Many investors were unwilling to book profits greater than 25%, hence they could cut their losses and stop selling around the 48-cent range. But if that support level doesn't hold, XRP could reverse below 40 cents. So, I mean, it all depends really is what this is saying on the hodlers. If they start selling at a loss, well, then we're going to see further downside. But listen, I'm going to be honest with you. I've said it for a little while now. I think we have another leg down for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin has another leg down to about $23,000, it's going to pull the alts with it, right? So if XRP does dump with everything else, look at it as a fantastic, excuse me, get the hiccups again, a fantastic DCA opportunity, right, to continue to fill your bags. Elizabeth, good to see you. I was wondering where you're at. Good to see you here. So yes, so we could see a little bit more of a dump coming, but I get very, very bullish, man, when we get dumps, because I like to DCA. I like to buy up those dumps. By the way, I bought some more Caspa today as well. Forgot to mention that at the beginning. What else we got? Bitcoin LFGO says Bitcoin LFG predicts $250,000 Bitcoin by 2025. I could see it. I could see anywhere between $125,000 to $250,000 Bitcoin. I could. It depends on how much money pours in because of the ETFs in 2024, stuff like that, right? A lot of catalysts. But again, I think we're going to see a maybe 15 to 20 trillion dollar market cap for the crypto space. So I think like the sky's the limit for a lot of these. Once we start getting these ETF applications approved and stuff, it's going to be huge. It's going to be huge. Finance feeds. What do they have to say? Ripple teams up with Travelex to expand XRP's utility in Brazil. Travelex has adopted the RippleNet technology to roll out direct remittance services for money transfers between Brazil and Mexico, with plans to support more corridors and use cases in the future. Today's partnership with Travelex means things are shifting for Ripple's business across Latin America into a higher gear. RippleNet has already signed an existing roster of financial institutions and money transfer companies, including Banco Rendimiento, Remessa Online, Fante Coroda. I'm probably butchering these Brazilian names, but whatever. The San Francisco-based blockchain payments company has been pushing ahead to bring faster and cheaper cross-border payments to using XRP in Latin America. Ripple opened its local office in Brazil in 2019 and has plans to continue expanding its team in the region across policy, business developing, and engineering. Brazil is a key market for Ripple, given its importance as an anchor to businesses in Latin America. By the way, Brazil, member of BRICS, just putting that out there. Across openness to crypto and countrywide initiatives that promote fintech innovation. As a result, the market is experiencing an explosion of activity as institutions look to adopt crypto and blockchain technology to solve customer pain points, says Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple. Travelex Bank is 100% digital and 100% personal bank. We were the first exclusive foreign exchange bank approved and regulated by the Central Bank of Brazil, focused on EFX transactions. We embrace tech to offer the best solutions to individuals and companies of all sizes, and for the most diverse sectors. Added Ana Tina, CEO of Travelex Bank Brazil. Through on-demand liquidity, RippleNet utilizes XRP as a bridge between two currencies, thus lowering operational costs, unlocking capital, and enabling the users to avoid pre-funding accounts on each side of the transaction. Travelex, which is particularly active in the travel space, joins the ranks of Ripple customers and partners in the region. However, the recent partnership is particularly noteworthy as Travelex is the first bank approved by the Central Bank of Brazil to operate exclusively in foreign exchange. The move comes as Ripple continues to consider alternative locations for its business amid ongoing regulatory woes in the U.S. over cryptocurrency. Ripple CEO said last year that the company is considering a move away from its home base in San Francisco. That was last year, though. Now they've won the case. However, there is no indication yet from the $10 billion fintech company that such a move is going ahead anytime soon. So yeah, big news. More partnerships for Ripple. Justin, do you think this dip for Caspa could extend into next weekend? I do. I think we have another leg down, like I said. But I think it could be drawn out. I think it could take a week or two before we finally get hit with it, right? I guess it would depend, but yeah, I do see it dragging into. You're talking about yeah, like tomorrow's Monday, and then like the next week. I think we'll have a little bit of a pump during the week, but I think this time next week we'll probably be somewhere around the same place we are now, in my opinion. We'll have a little bit of volatility throughout the week, but no massive dumps, no massive pumps, in my opinion. That leg down for Bitcoin and the alts is going to come, but like I said, it could take a few weeks still, right? So, are you hoping to pick some up over next weekend, or is that what you're asking? What else is going on? We got some more news to go through here. Let's see what JP Cointelegraph says. JP Morgan for JP Morgan forecasts limited downside for crypto markets. Justin, I'm looking at a chunky buy next weekend. Yeah, I think we'll be somewhere around the same place we are now, to be honest with you, next weekend. I think we could see minor pumps, minor dumps, but for the most part, I think it's going to be a crab season next week where we're just kind of sideways by the end of it. I guess if you're splitting hairs, I mean, right now you're looking at, 1 second here. Right now you're looking at a 5% pump in Caspa, which brings it up to 3.6 cents. So really, I mean, if you're going to buy it at 3.8 cents or 3.4 cents or 3.6 cents, really just splitting hairs, because by the end of by the time you're selling it in 2025, it's going to be $3. It's not really going to matter if you bought it at 3.6 cents or 3.8 cents. So I think you're still good. It's not going to dramatically pump over 4 cents or anything like that, in my opinion, by next weekend. So I think you're safe, brother. I think you're safe. I just picked some more up today myself, even though it pumped 5%, whatever. I don't care. I'm still picking it up. I'm not going to split hairs. Let me see. So yes, JP Morgan. The cryptocurrency market recent downtrend appears to be coming to an end, with JP Morgan's latest research suggesting that the most long position liquidated have been completed. According to the Bloomberg report, analysts for the United States bank based bank estimated that the liquidations are largely behind us. The prediction is based on the open interest in Bitcoin futures contracts on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME, indicating that the selling trend might soon decelerate. Open interest, which refers to the active futures contracts, serves as an indicator of market sentiment and strength of the price trends. Bitcoin's open interest decline is seen as a sign that the current price trend could be weakened, according to analysts. As a result, we see limited downside for crypto. So basically, JP Morgan doesn't see too much more of a downside. I don't either, but like I said, I think 23,000. I think we're going to drop 23,000. I think we're going to wick below it as low as 22, maybe 21, and then bound eventually we'll recover 23,000. And then I think we're going to ping pong between 23,000 and 25,000 for 2 months, roughly, something along those lines. I think we're looking at a pretty red September and October, in my opinion. Nothing too dramatic, but like I said, I think we're going to have that drop, and then we're going to ping pong. That's my opinion on it. We'll see what happens, right? I mean, I've been wrong before, but I got dry powder on the side, and I am ready to buy those dips. So. Today, XRP welcomes massive capital inflow. Here's price reaction. The broader digital currency ecosystem is experiencing a market capitulation, and what has been tagged one of the most electric weeks thus far this month. With the market outlook trending towards conservativeness, XRP has stolen some spotlight for itself after linking a marginal gain of about 1.84% to 52 cents, according to data from CoinMarketCap. XRP has remained resilient in its price performance as its outlook in the trailing 7-day period is significantly more than those of its peers, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is not uncommon to find XRP in the top list of high-performing coins as it arguably has the biggest hype in the industry at this time. The coin is the center of attention in the Ripple Labs Inc. versus the SEC legal battle, and although the currency status quo is that it is not a security as defined by Judge Torres, market ripples have, no pun intended, have not let the price express itself well. Sustained XRP utility, the portion or the position of the XRP coin in the broader Web 3.0 ecosystem is being reinstated following the more than 2-year lawsuit that has stagnated it over time. Ripple Labs has grown its business offshore through the XRP-powered on-demand liquidity feature. The role of XRP in the XRPL has also helped reinstate the outlook as a cheap cryptocurrency designed to power massive decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens transactions across the board. XRP has a rich ecosystem. The outlook remains positive for both the legal and utility standpoints. And XRP has held up strong, in my opinion, lately. We've seen a lot of red and stuff like that, but it seems to be holding around 52 cents pretty solid. So very encouraging there. And what else is going down? Make sure you guys smash that like and subscribe. Got to get to 1,000. We got to get to 1,000 subs, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. So that's basically the news, guys. That was a lot of articles today. What do you guys want to talk about? Any cryptos you guys want me to look at? Any tokenomics you guys want to go over? Let me know. Let's get into it. Fax, you've been eerily quiet tonight, man. What are you doing, man? What are you doing, brother? Curls for the girls? So, yeah. What do you guys want to look at? Actually, there was something in the comments. There was a project that was mentioned in the comments today that I said I would have a look at. On-chain AI. What do you guys think about that? Facts. I'm just listening, watching a bit of preseason football. Nice, brother. Nice. Hockey's better, though. Just putting that out there. On-chain AI. What do you guys think about on-chain AI? I got Burning Man 31 says on-chain AI is going parabolic right now. Let's have a look at it. Looking at getting back into quant as well. Well, let's have a look at quant first here. I think quant at $103 is a steal, man. I do. When you're looking at go Cowboys, yeah. When you're looking at probably, I did a quant price prediction last month, I think it was, and I said conservatively, let's say $1,500, right? I got torched by this one woman, was so angry with my price prediction because she thinks it's going to go to $5,000, right? And she was so PO'd at me for saying it was going to go to $1,500. But I don't understand, if you're buying it at $103 and it goes to $1,500 a coin, what do you have to be mad about? I don't get it. Like, that's a good ROI, in my opinion. But I mean, hey, who knows? Maybe we'll go to 5K, right? I don't know. eventually, maybe. I do love quant. I hold quant. I buy quant I buy one full quant every week when I DCA. So I just slowly accumulate my quant. What do we got here? Facts. Bought quant at $91 recently. Couldn't resist buying 10 of them. Yeah, 100%, man. I mean, when it went down to $91, that was amazing. Uh, yeah, exactly, Justin. Even a grand is a 10x. Yeah, like, and people are complaining about it. Like they want to. I guess some people, they get these unrealistic price predictions from some channels. They say, oh, it was the same as last year in the bull run. You guys remember, man? Everyone was saying Bitcoin was going to go to $1 million, and Cardano was going to 10, $15, and Solana was going to $600, and Terra Luna, that was another one. Everyone was saying Luna was going to $600, and just these unrealistic, like Doge was going to $1, Shiba Inu was going to go to a cent. It was crazy, right? And people believe, no matter how unrealistic it is, people will believe what they want to believe, no matter what you tell them, right? So if I'm telling you Shiba Inu is not going to make it to a penny, but somebody else out there is telling you that for sure it's going to $1, you're going to listen to them, no matter how much proof I give you that it's not mathematically possible. You're still gonna, well, I say you metaphorically, I don't mean you guys, the people who get wrecked eventually, right? So, like this woman, I say quant to $1,500. Somebody out there is telling her it's going to 5 to 10 grand in this next bull run. So she's going to hold it when it goes to $1,500, and then if that's as high as it goes, then she's going to have to ride it all the way to the bottom. And turns out I was right, And if I was wrong and it does go to 5 grand, well, I mean, she's not really going to be mad at me. She's going to be in euphoria, right? So I'd rather be more conservative is the point I'm getting across, I guess, right? I'd rather tell you guys that, XRP is going to $7 or $5 to $7 instead of 20 to 25, so that you guys at least make money, right? Like if I tell you it's going to $25 and you hold it when it goes to 10 and then it goes all the way back down, you're pissed off at me, right? So gotta be conservative. Plus I'm just honest, I don't moon boy it, that's the thing, right? That's the thing of it. On-chain AI, let's have a look at this here. Up 30% today. Wow. Wonder what kind of news they excuse me, what kind of news they released today. Celebrating 1,000 holders. Wow, this is a new project. Don't they have 1,000 holders? They're celebrating 1,000 holders. That's crazy. It is pumping though, guys. We're gonna have to check out this circulating supply on CoinMarketCap though, because it's not on CoinGecko. Let's have a look here. It's not even on CoinMarketCap. Well, that's how new it is. It's on CoinGecko, but not on CoinMarketCap. Justin, do you see a rebound for Filecoin? For Filecoin, I'll be honest with you, I love Filecoin. I do. I see a rebound for it. I don't think it's going to destroy its all-time high necessarily. Hang on a second. I don't think it's gonna reach its all-time high this bull run. I mean, $236 all-time high. It's $3.35 right now, right? And it's ranked 34th. But I do see a rebound for it. This coin, it was mentioned by the SEC when they were talking about going after, was it Coinbase, I think, and they mentioned Filecoin, calling it a security, but they haven't actually sued Filecoin for being a security. So I see a rebound for it. To answer your question, yes, I am bullish on Filecoin for sure. I don't see it returning this bull run to its all-time high, but I do see a significant price appreciation in the project, though. I mean, conservatively, $30 to $50 would be easily obtainable, in my opinion. But definitely not $236. Not this bull run, anyway. So yeah, I do like it. I talk about data storage plays being a necessity, a staple in any portfolio, in my opinion. I like Filecoin for that, and I like Crust for that as well. Are you talking about on-chain AI? Is listed on right now Uniswap. Only Uniswap. That's according to CoinGecko. Anyway, let me see if I can. Hang on a second here. OCAI. Yeah, Uniswap right now. I tried to sign up for L Bank, no luck in Washington. Wouldn't let you in Washington? How come? What did it say? On-chain AI. It's not a good buy today because it's up 30%. It's 2 cents right now. Its all-time high was 6 hours ago. Very, very new project. Its all-time low was 18 days ago. It's up 166% from its all-time low. It's not even a month old. This is a very early project, guys, that I'm giving you the alpha on here. So make sure that you show me some love, show me some appreciation, and smash that like and subscribe for this one, guys. It's not even a month old, this play. Ticker is OCAI. You can pick it up over on Uniswap right now. There's only 1,000 holders for this project right now, guys. Tokenomics, fully diluted market cap is almost 2.5 million. It only has 100 million max supply, and they don't have the circulating supply recorded yet. It's not even on CoinMarketCap yet, so definitely add it to your watch list. 2 cents right now, but it's not a good DCA opportunity. Well, I don't see, it's tough, right? Because I say it's not a good opportunity to buy, but I mean, projects like this, over the next couple of weeks, this thing could pump 1,000%, right? So I don't know. I would say that I'm probably going to DCA into it. Again, it's called the On-Chain AI. OCAI is the ticker. And right now you can find it on Uniswap. It's on the, Uniswap Ethereum. So it's ERC20. So yeah, check it out, guys. Another gem. Just dropped it for you, right? Just dropped it for you. That's what I do. You are welcome. And all I ask is that you smash that subscribe button. So yeah, what else you guys want to look at? Casp, what's up? Another little bit here. Right now, I think good DCA opportunities would have to be. Oh, Dion's up 15.5% now, guys. Fantastic. I love Dion Protocol. I'm waiting for a good buy-in to start DCAing there. Not today, though. Telos, another one that I absolutely love. It's down 5%. That is a great DCA opportunity, guys. Ticker's TLOS. Justin, not authorized in my territory. Oh, that sucks, dude. Good old US of A, eh? Jasmine Taraxa is pumping a little bit there, 2% today. I did another updated Jasmine video there with talked about the Sony partnership and Sony moving into blockchain technology. Check that video out for sure, guys. I did that earlier today. For you Jasmine lovers, want some Jasmine updates? Check out that video. Let me see here, actually. I wonder if this will work. I've never tried this before. Give me a second here. Let's try this. Does this work? Can I paste it? A video link? Yeah, there you go. I just posted it in the chat as my Jasmine video. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Did that today. Jasmine price prediction and Sony blockchain tech. So partnership. Check it out. What else do you guys want to talk about? Anything going on, you guys? What do you guys think about this whole Bitboy drama thing? It's crazy, isn't it? How this guy can be kicked off his own channel? Like, do you guys care? Or do you guys subscribe to his channel? Do you watch his stuff? Or what do you guys think about that? Or do you think this is all just a big rib? Like they're just messing with us and it's just going to be one big, joke on... I still kind of feel like it's going to be one big joke, guys. I do. Even though you've got like Wendy O saying that it's true and all that stuff, I just don't believe it. I don't believe it. I think that he's going to come out on like Tuesday or something and with something stupid. I don't see it being true. I do not. So, what else you guys want to talk about, man? You guys smashing the like and the subscribe? Show brother some love or what? Big things popping, little things stopping? What do we got here? Jasmine Crypto says he's got the Fibonacci's on there, and he says Jasmine to one of these levels in the next run. You've got the 161 is 59 cents. The 618 is 95 cents. 131 or 131. The 618 is $1.31. And fully extended, we're looking at $1.54 for Jasmine. That's what he thinks. You really can't go wrong with any of those prices if you're buying Jasmine at the current price. I mean, it goes to 50, even on the most conservative prediction of 59 cents. You really can't go wrong there, right? Depending on how much you have, but I mean, I know there's quite a few of you guys who have well over a million coins. It goes to 59 cents. I'd buy that for $1. H-bar is approaching 19 billion transactions. Crazy. Yeah, I'm excited for next year, you guys. I hope you guys are excited for next year. It's going to be a very profitable year. 2024 and 2025. I really hope that a lot of you guys are taking the opportunity to DCA right now into your favorite projects, because 2024 and 2025, well, guys, we're before you know it, it's going to be almost Christmas time. This year's wrapping up rapidly. This year flew by, right? And next thing you know, we're going to be into 2024. Before you know it, it's going to be Christmas. Then bam, we're like a couple months away from the halving. Halving will be here before you know it. Time just flies, right? Next thing you know, it's just going to be green everywhere, man. So I hope you're DCAing into your favorite projects right now, because I want to see all of you guys making a lot of money next year, right? That's what next year is going to be about. That is the theme for 2024, 2025. And then you got to remember, after near the end of 2025, you guys, you got to remember, people are going to be telling you, if Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin's at $200,000, Q3, Q4, 2025, people are going to be telling you it's going to super cycle. It's going to $1 million. Take your profits, guys. That's what happened in the last bull run, right? It was $69,000. Everyone was saying, like, oh, it's a super cycle. Everyone was saying it was a super cycle. Bitboy, everybody, super cycle, super cycle. It's going to $150,000 this cycle. Went to 69 and then dragged everybody down to the bottom of the bear market with it, right? Don't be fooled by that again this year. Don't get caught in the euphoria. Take your profits. That's what I would say to you guys. So like I said, I want to see all you guys making money. But that is, I think that is just about it. I had a long day. I did 3 videos plus hour-long live stream. It's a pretty productive day on the channel. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, guys, and the like button. Shoot me a comment. Definitely go check out, if you're looking for somewhere to pick up, again, Caspa or Jasmy or XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, whatever. The list goes on and on and on. Check out LBank. The link's down below already. Check it out. Make an account. Support the channel. And yeah, I'm going to wrap it up there, you guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you once again, you guys, for allowing me to come on and do this. I love talking to you guys. I love our talks. I love our laughs and stuff like that. So thank you so much for that. And I will be back again tomorrow for another live stream. And I'll also have another video or 2 in the morning as well. So Elizabeth says, thank you. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I appreciate you being here. I do. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So have a good night, guys.